of the Huion h640p tablet. This tablet goes for $50 and at the time of this review is only being sold on the official Huion site. In the future, I assume it'll make its way onto. Anyways, let's see the specs on the back of the box. So this tablet has 8,192 levels of pressure, 5,080 lines per inch, and a reading height of 10 millimeters. It's compatible with Windows 7 or later, and macOS 10.11 or later. So the first thing we see in the box is a little thank you card, and a disc-shaped card that tells you where you can get the driver, which I am super happy to see that they didn't send a CD, because you should always download the latest driver online. And next we have the tablet. It's 10 inches by 5.8 inches and only 8 millimeters thick, with an active area of 6.3 inches by 3.9 inches. It's very sleek and light. The finish is a smooth matte with 6 low-profile express keys that are very easy to press. There's actually a switch on the side that toggles the express keys on and off, probably because they're so easy to hit. Not a feature I really expected, but the tablet also has a micro USB connection, and it's always nice to see a removable cord because you can always change it out in case the original cord wears out. The pin for this tablet is passive, meaning it's batteryless. It's weighted really well in my opinion, being tip heavy, making it feel nice in the hand. The grip is soft and tapered with 2 raised buttons that have a nice clip to them. The nib is sturdy in the pin and has a firm give to it. It feels pretty good quality. The pin stand is small and very light. The top twists off to reveal 8 replacement nibs, and the underside indicates that you can use it to remove the nib in the pin. I really like the design of this. It's unique and compact. And then we have the USB to micro USB cord. I'm not sure of the actual length, but it looks decent. Last, we have the quick start guide.